The Adamawa state government has taken away the traditional title of Waziri Adamawa from former Vice President Atiku Abubakar. According to a circular dated 20th of June 2025 and signed by Mrs. Adama Felicity Maman from the Department of Chieftaincy Affairs, the government said the removal is part of a new rules about who can hold traditional titles in the state. The new law says only people from certain districts, Yola South, Yola North, Geri, Miobelwa, Song, and Zumo can have emirate titles. Atiku is from Jada local government area, which belongs to the Ganye chiefdom, so he no longer qualifies. The Waziri title is one of the most powerful traditional roles in Adamawa, second only to the Lamido, the top traditional ruler. Now many leaders in the Emirate Council may lose their titles if they are not from the approved areas. The government said this will affect everyone, not just Atiku, but some people believe the move may be political. They say it may be connected to the problems between Atiku and Governor Ahmadu Fintiri, both of whom are big members of the People's Democratic Party, PDP. Atiku has recently been seen working closely with other political figures like Peter Obi, Nasir El-Rufai, and Senator Aishatu Binani, making people to think a new political group may be forming ahead of the 2027 elections. The Adamawa House of Assembly is considering a bill that will let the governor remove and appoint traditional rulers without needing approval from community leaders or kingmakers. Critics say this would give the governor too much power and could damage the independence of traditional institutions. This situation has sparked concern across the state as many people are waiting to see what happened there. Share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more 3D news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.